Up her tires, man. She's out of luck.
Yeah, she's good, bro.
I rise.
Damn, you totally flopped. Glad I was ready.
Somebody's smoking some grass.
Yes. All right, big boy, hop out.
All right, go run.
Big boy.
Go, Bubba, go. Oh, we got distracted.
He's gone. Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Go ahead. Go, go, go.
Let's go.
Yeah, Bubba.
Go, 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 go. Good pace, boy. Good pace, Rillo.
Who's that handsome black dog? Huh?
Walk. Walk. Walk with me. Come on.
I am not in the right attire for this shit. That's crazy.
Kyle, that's a big one. Let's chase him off. Chase him off, Rillo.
Yo.
That's a big boy. I need to get that bow.
Rillo.
Rillo! Come on. Rillo,
Come.
come here.
Yeah, he's keeping his.
Ow! I'm about to stomp your ass out, boy. I'm gonna get you.
The brother want his ass. Hey, he gonna get stomped out.
Get you.
Like, no joke.
Rillo, I'm gonna get my bow. You think I'm fucking playing? I'm gonna go get my bow right now. It's ready. I got the arrow tips. You watch him, Dame. Keep your eye on that cow. Load up.
Same.
Oh, he walking this way on some bullshit.
Say, keep your eye on them. They're wiry little fuckers.
Buddies?
As soon as I have my bow set up, I'm gonna go grab it right now. That's a big coyote. That's
No, that'll snatch a dog up.
That's a big coyote, bro.
So what's the mission, bro?
Coyote.
That shit was
I'm
fun.
getting a bow. I'm about to take him out.
He said it's game over for that mother hunting season. No, Rello's chilling in the car ready.
Obviously, we're going, right?
There he is.
Oh, he knows I'm coming now.
The way they howling over, he literally was trying to lure us over to his pack. Type shit. Cause they just, that one dude ran.
You saw how he hopped?
Yeah.
He hopped. You're a good dog. I'd rather take you hunting with other dogs for your first time, but if that's how we're gonna do it, that's how we're gonna do it, brother.
Straight like that.
Okay, that's what we're supposed to do.
Right. Instead of just winging it and then fucking up.
We're at the market getting a whole duck.
That's why we're getting. And it's going, and now it's tum-tum. Hey guys, Suki here. making dinner tonight. Making dolphin fish sticks. And we're gonna have it with duck. So let's get the duck heated up because we got it from the Asian market. Roast duck. So good. So we're just gonna heat it up. You might be wondering like why I just don't make it myself. It's a lot easier. Just someone else is having the machine. We're gonna eat this all, right? You will eat this all, right? I have a small. Alright, next step, dolphin. Toss it in there, get it fully coated.
This is my charity work for the year.
There you go.
Well, he's an interesting fighter.
We'll see how they turn out. That'll look really good. Taste good.
A guy like that.
That's Yoda. I'll take that as a compliment. Buying it on the store. The world is harsh. Be good enough.
Dinner made.
Yeah. I just made my dessert. I'm about to indulge on that.
Avocado mayonnaise. Get relish.
Some people in the gym, they shine, and some people under the bright lights, they shine. Some people get you.
That is more like a crepe. Let's try it. Ooh, it's a little brown, isn't it?
I mean, that's just from the cheese.
It kind of looks like you. Yeah, but like it has breadcrumbs in it.
Scale it 1 to 10.
A 6 to a 7? Yeah. Like, but it's definitely edible and it tastes good, you know? Taste is definitely there.
Let me get that pea ready. Boom. Alright.
Oh wait, I was supposed to keep going. It's already. Let's eat. Sweet potatoes. They're the same.
Sweet. That's it.
I'm getting my hair shaped up before I go to these fights. I got 7 of our teammates fighting locally in Aurora. I'm gonna go watch those. I'm gonna shoot those, get good photos for all the fighters. And then we're going straight to BKFC in Denver, up in Brookfield, for the bare knuckle fights. I'm one of the photographers for the night, so I'm gonna go get some awesome shots of those guys beating the shit out of each other. So we just got the Stampedes. Got 7 of the teammates fighting tonight on one of their photographers' cage side tonight. There's a super big line. It's gonna be packed tonight. It's gonna be pretty loud, pretty live. So come take a look.
También. No, it's fine. No
That almost all my words. You know how we do this.
How do you feel? How's the fights looking, bro? How's the fights looking, bro?
Good, man. Those were sick fights.
Awesome.
Got a bunch of awesome shots. We're gonna go roll up a fat one, get some food.
I
head
enjoyed
back up.
myself.
Hell yeah. Back to back with it.
I only
Like that
enjoyed
idea, I
myself.
might invite him to come smoke that. He smiled so big when I said that. He was like,